everyone. Today I will study pronunciation vowels a and a. The first a. Check, check. Leg, leg. Head, head. Tail, tail. Jealous, jealous. Test, test. Many, many. Breakfast, breakfast. Bread, bread, bread. Ready, ready. Red, Z, Z. Again, again. Better late than never. Better late than never. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. It's your treasure. It's your treasure. Like camera, camera. Factory, factory. Ladder, ladder. Bed, bed. Bag, bag. Map, map. Manager, manager. Pack, pack. Plan, plan, plan. Chepic, chepic. Rammer, rammer. Cat, cat, cat. I have happy family. I have happy family. Matter of fact, I think he is outstanding. Matter of fact, I think he is just standing. I'm so glad that nothing bad happened. I'm so glad that nothing bad happened. Introduct upon myself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Nan. I'm 20 years old. I was born and grew up in Bắc. It's so very nice province. Right now, I'm a student. I study very day. Every day. I choose to be here because I'm eager to learn. I enjoy learning English. I speak English everywhere and all the time. I like making friends and I get along with everyone. In my free time, I like listening to music and reading book. I'm happy to meet you all. I believe we'll become good friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.